Hey there, art enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we celebrate creativity and DIYs. Today we are diving into the world of painting on a pillow. For this, you will need different kinds of paints. For tracing the design, please watch my previous video. I will give you the video in the I button. So let's get started. First, let's clarify that we are not talking about any harmful or toxic content. This is purely about creativity, artistry and fun. You can create stunning designs and patterns using various techniques like watercolors, acrylic paint, fabric paints, markers or even embroidery. The possibilities are endless. So why not explore this exciting avenue? For this, we use brushes of various sizes, paints in different shades and tones. Painting on pillow is not only a trendy DIY, but it's also a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your home decor. Whether you are a seasoned painter or just starting out, painting on a pillow is a great project that allows you to express yourself through art. For my setup, I will be using acrylic paints, which are perfect for fabric as they are water-based. But remember, if you are painting on a pillow or other fabrics, fabric colors are very great way to use. In this video, I will be sharing with you step-by-step process of transforming your plain pillow into a masterpiece. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end for tips and tricks, and you will come to know by using simple tricks you can paint a masterpiece. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and want to see more creative ideas like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more artistry fun for the next time. For more details, you can go through our description box where I will give you all the details regarding colors and everything. So it's my request to you, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, comment whatever you like in this video or whatever you want in this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, keep creating and keep inspiring. After painting, you can use the 3D outliner for tracing the outlines, so it will give a stunning look to your painting. You can use different types of outliners. I am using here red outliner, so it will give you a look of embossed painting. And afterwards I will use this glitter colors for detailing in my design. Here now I am using a 0 number brush and acrylic metallic colors for adding the details to your paints. You can use different designs and even you can draw outlines using outliners. Here I am adding some golden color so it looks very good, and afterwards I am using outliner for tracing different designs inside. So you can use different types of designs as per your choice. I am here just using a simple design, so it will look very nice after completing. And here is our finished look. See how graceful it looks. These are the different materials which I have used in this process, and I have designed this on a different pillow, same design but with the different colors. Here it is. So you can use in this way, you can add the details in this way, or you can use the previous one in this video which I have shown to you. So until then, keep creating, keep inspiring and keep watching Lakhmai Deep's creation. Thank you very much.